Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted Snapchat memories. First, unlock your phone and launch Snapchat. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account where your memories were stored. Once the app opens, you'll be on the camera screen. From here, we'll head to the account settings. Now, tap your Bitmoji icon located at the top left corner. This will open your profile page with different account options. Here, you can manage settings and access support tools. Next, we'll open the Settings menu. After that, tap the gear icon in the top right corner dot. This will open your Snapchat settings page. Here, you'll find different options related to your account and privacy. Scroll down to access the support section. Once you reach the support section, tap on Help Center. This page contains official Snapchat help articles and troubleshooting guides. It's useful for finding solutions related to missing or deleted memories. Next, we'll search for the issue. Now, use the search bar and type a question related to recovering deleted Snapchat memories. Snapchat will show helpful articles and information based on your search. If your memories were permanently deleted, they usually cannot be restored. However, the Help Center can explain other recovery options and possible causes. And that's how you can check the available options for recovering deleted Snapchat memories. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.